Okay, guys, it is a beautiful Monday morning, and it is necessary for us to have a proper plan on our trading activities throughout this week so that we can have more profitable trades throughout this week. We will be using the same trading strategy, which is the trend trading strategy. And in case you are just hearing about that for the first time, it is an opportunity for you to learn more and see how you can improve in your trading activities by applying this trend trading strategy to your trading activities. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so stay tuned and watch this video to the end, and you're going to enjoy every bit of it. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and of course, guys, if you have any question, you can drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So, guys, still using the same trading strategy, we will be checking out some assets right here on this platform and see what we are most likely to get from there today. Okay, this is FX volume 60. I will be doing all my analysis on 15-minute time frame, okay, so that we can have a better understanding of what we are doing right here. Okay, this actually started an uptrend right from here. Like you guys have known, I've been preaching this strategy for a while right now, which is the trend trading strategy. All I just need to do is just to follow the trend, and I will be in profit for a very long time. Okay, so and in order for me to do this easily, I decided to make use of this custom-made indicator called 3M Trendmaker indicator. Okay, so this particular indicator is custom made and it shows me the trend. This is an uptrend and this is when the market is on downtrend. Okay, the uptrend is when the yellow color is showing like this. The downtrend is when the red color is showing. Okay, then it is also important for you to know where the trend is coming from. Okay, this is coming from the support zone, which means that it has been selling before, but it got to the support region. It was unable to break out from there, so it changed from a downtrend into an uptrend. Okay, the same thing is applicable to when it is coming from the resistance zone. Okay, it means that it has been buying before, but it was unable to break out above this resistance zone, so it had to switch from an uptrend into a downtrend in order for us to have more selling opportunity at that point. Okay, so all these are very, very important and clear. Okay, so if you are able to identify all these on your own, then definitely you are good to go. But if you have issue in identifying them, then you may need a trading tool that can help you to identify all these. And one of the trading tools you can use is the 3M Trend Maker indicator. You can ask about it. Okay, so now let's go fully into it. Okay, this actually got to this support zone. It was unable to break out from this support zone, so it's had to switch from this downtrend into an uptrend. So if it is now on uptrend, the only signal that I feel you should go in for is the buy signal, which is the blue arrow. Okay, and it is possible for you to see red arrows in between. Okay, in between the trend but the only signal that will be having more strength at that particular time is the buy signal because it supports the uptrend signal that was given earlier. Okay, so and you can see this is 15-minute time frame. Okay, and you can see it gave us a lot of profit even till it got to this particular resistance zone. This is 132 candles formed on 15-minute time frame. That's so amazing. So this is going to go for days, okay, before you achieve the end of this trend. You can imagine being in profit for like 2 to 3 days. That's so amazing, guys. So this is beautiful, and that's a lot of profit at the end of the day. So after getting to this resistance zone, it has started a downtrend fully, and of course you can see the red color, and it is selling at the moment. We just need it to break out from here. Once it is fully broken, then definitely it's going to sell more. Okay, it's going to sell more, and of course we need it to get to this particular spot. Sorry, this particular spot. um right from there. Remember, this is 15-minute time frame, so that's a lot. Then next to this, okay. If it breaks out from there, then we should be expecting it around here, guys. Then if it breaks out from there, that means it's coming down to this spot. Okay, so this is very, very important. So you guys should take advantage of it right from there. Okay, so this is so unique. Okay, now let's check out other assets. Okay, let's go to GainX 1200. GainX 1200 also obeyed the trend trading strategy. Right from here, it started an uptrend. Okay, you can see the yellow color, and of course, it's bought till it got to this region. Okay, and that is spikes trading around there. You can imagine you trading spikes from here to this very end. That's so amazing. Okay, so that's because it got to this support region and it was unable to break out from there, and it switched into an uptrend and it's bought till it got to this resistance zone. So after getting there, it was unable to break out above the resistance zone. So it switched from an uptrend into a downtrend and gave us a sell signal. I actually discussed about this, I think, 2 days ago, and of course, it sold till it got to this very moment. Those that actually took action will have been the raw profit, even with this trend, okay, with this downtrend. But if you should notice, I drew out the trend line from this support region to this region. Okay, if it breaks out from there, then definitely it will sell till it gets to this horizontal line. Okay, but unfortunately for some of us also, it didn't break out from there, so it started buying right from there. So we still expecting it to buy more, and that is if the ranging around there is over, then definitely it's going to buy more. But for now, it's still more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay. However, if it pulls back from this play that is going on around there, and it gets to this particular spot and breaks out from there, then we should be expecting it around here. Okay, if it breaks out from this trend line, then definitely it is coming down to this particular horizontal line. So we should take note of that. Okay, and we should put all that into consideration. Okay, so this is GainX 999. Let's check it out also. For GainX 999, it started an uptrend right from this support zone, and it bought till it got to this resistance zone. It was unable to go further, so it's having a pullback right now. We don't know how far this will go, but if it goes beyond this level that it is at the moment, definitely it's going to sell more. Okay, it's going to sell more. So for now, it is still selling, and let's see how far it will go. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, we are expecting it to get to this spot. Okay, if it gets there and breaks out from there, then it may likely get to this particular spot. Okay, so that is very, very important. Now let's check more. Okay, this is Paynex 1200. We've been on this for days now. Okay, we actually, if you remember, sometimes last week we actually traded this particular asset on downtrend, and it gave us a lot of profit. The trend actually started from somewhere here, got to this support zone, played around it. We actually thought it would went, it would go back on uptrend. That is why we drew this set of horizontal and trend lines around here. And of course, you can see it didn't break out above it, so it didn't pick up our entry point. And of course, it came back down to break out below this support zone, and this actually gave us more opportunity to sell more. So we sold more, and of course got to a new support zone at this region, and you can see it's still playing around. That is why I am now introducing a new trend line, okay, which is this, okay, because it's been on a very strong downtrend. Okay, so we need to be very careful if we are going to trade the uptrend. Okay, actually we've been expecting it to go into uptrend, but sometimes you can just control some of these activities within the market. Okay, in the market we always want to behave like the market. Okay, so you don't have the full control over it. So we actually drew out this trend line at this point. Okay, so if it breaks out above it, then we expect more buying opportunity right from there, but we're going to go carefully. Okay, so we expect more buying opportunity right from there if it breaks out from here, and of course we expect it to get to this particular spot first, and if it breaks out from there, then we should be expecting it it at this port, okay, as our next TP, okay. And if it breaks out from there, then this is the next port. And if it breaks out from that particular spot, then it should be coming towards here, okay. So all these are very, very important. But first, we need to be sure if it's ready for an uptrend this time around, because it's been on a very strong downtrend and we've been waiting for it to go fully into an uptrend, but it has not been able to go fully. Okay, so that is why I drew out this trend line to know if it will break out above it or not. So let's keep on watching it and see what is going to happen around it. If it does not, then it's going to crash back and see if it can break out from the next support region. Okay, so this is PNX 999. The last one we analyzed was PNX 1200. Now let's check this out. This had actually been on downtrend also, right from this resistance zone, and it sold till it got to this particular support zone. After getting here, okay, it was unable to break out from there, so it tried to go back into an uptrend, but played around there for so I mean took its time to play around there and was unable to go further than that. It had a pullback and stopped at this trend line and went back up again, and this time around it has stopped again and will be targeting this trend line again. Okay, so it will be selling right now to see if it can get to this trend line. If it gets there and breaks out below it, then definitely we should expect it at this spot. Okay, wait, let me bring this down first. Okay, we should expect it getting to this horizontal line first if it breaks out from the line, and of course if it breaks out from this horizontal line, definitely it should be getting to this particular spot. Okay, so this is very, very important. But if it does not, it will go back up and see if it can break out above this particular resistance zone. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so you guys should understand all these and apply it whenever you are trading. Okay, most of these things might take hours before it will give us the right movement, or probably even a whole day or 2 days before it will give us right movement. It's possible for it to be playing up and down within here before it will give us the right movement. So let's just keep on checking. Let's see what is happening within there. Don't be too don't rush into any trade. Okay, give it time so that you can get the right entry point and of course make some good amount of money from there. Okay, so guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, you can drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you, or probably you reach out to me via WhatsApp, and of course I will always be there to reply you also. I will be stopping right there. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God